Are you meditating these days? Why not? Let's talk about it. When you meditate, you create peace and calm. That will improve your immune system. When we improve our immune system, we become healthier and respond to whatever is happening around us with a sense of knowledge, intuition, and wisdom. That's right. That's how strong and powerful meditation is. Let's meditate right now so you'll see how simple it is. To meditate, make sure you're wearing comfortable clothes. Sit up straight on a couch or lay on your bed. Keep the spine tall. Allow your hands to fall by your sides. And soften your gaze. Soften your eyes. Or close them. Slowly follow the inhale and the exhale. Follow the breath gently. Coming back to the inflow and the outflow of your breathing. The mind will wander, worried about thoughts of the future or of the past. Just come back to the breath. Stay here for a few moments. Nothing to do. Just follow your breath. We'll be working on releasing anxiety by counting the breath. Follow the guidance of my voice without worrying to do it perfectly. Do the best you can, and that is good enough. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 3, 2, 1. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. And resume your natural breathing. Pause here for a moment, noticing the quality of your mind, of your breath, and come back to this exercise anytime you need a moment to come back to a sense of quiet, peace, stillness.